Laser welding requires protected, reliable, and regulation-compliant environments. That's why TP WELD was created. TP WELD is Tecnopiu's solution for laser welding. Enclosures designed according to the strictest international standards and CE certified. Controlled access, clear and immediate signals. Every component is carefully designed to guarantee protection and safety for those who work. Thanks to the certified inspection window, monitoring from the outside is simple and convenient, without compromising safety. Inside, laser welding takes place in a safe environment, fully compliant with the most stringent regulations. Available in different sizes, TP WELD enclosures are modular and scalable. Thanks to their modular design, TP WELD adapts to every need, from a single workstation to the most complex production line. TP WELD laser welding enclosures. Safety, innovation, and customization by Tecnopiu. Because safety is not a target, it is a way of life.